Hello all, welcome to Bonadeafashions.
In this video, we are going through a very beautiful set of Borderless premium quality silk cotton sarees. All these sarees are light in weight and comfortable to wear. Beautiful and unique copper and silver zari woven puttas are there running throughout the body, along with a rich pallu and a running blouse. And this beautiful collection with pretty colors you are getting in a price of 980 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Other states even the shipping charges be from 20 maximum up to 40 depending on the distance. For placing your order, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links be there in the description. Please check the description for further details and thank you for watching.